Problem number 6. For every 5 pages Gil can read, his daughter can read 3 pages. Let G represent the number of pages Gil reads, and D represent the number of pages his daughter reads. Create a table showing the relationship between the number of pages Gil reads and the number of pages his daughter reads. And our question says, is the number of pages Gil's daughter reads proportional to the number of pages he reads? Explain why or why not. All right, first we need to create our table. We have our 2 sections. In our first section, the first thing they tell us is the number of pages Gil reads. Pages Gil reads. And they are calling this G. And the second thing is the number of pages his daughter reads. Pages daughter reads. And they are calling that D. All right. They tell us that for every 5 that Gil can read, so for every 5 pages Gil reads, his daughter reads 3. So let's continue with this. If he reads 10 pages, 10 is 2 times our 5, so we'll multiply the same thing by our 3. 3 times 2 is 6, so she must read 6 pages. If he reads 15, that's multiplying our 5 times 3 to get our 15, so therefore 3, her number of pages times 3 would give us 9. And let's do one more. If he reads 20, we're multiplying our 5 times 4 to get 20. So we multiply our 3 times 4 and get 12. So every time he reads 5 pages, she is able to read 3. Now, we are asked whether the number of pages she reads is proportional to the number of pages he reads. So the item that we're looking to see if it is proportional is our Y to our starting point, which is our X. All right. So now we can use our formula if K is equal to Y divided by X, and we can determine what is our unit rate in each case, and is that going to be a constant unit rate? For this, we will need our calculator, because for our first one, for our Y is 3 divided by our X of 5, so 3 divided by 5 gives us 0.6. For our second one, 6 divided by 10, do we have to multiply that one out? 6 divided by 10 is 6/10. And what do we know 6/10 looks like as a decimal? 0.6. But we can check it just to be sure. 6 divided by 10, 0.6. For our next one, we have 9 over 15. 9 divided by 15, 0.6. And for our last one, 12 divided by 20. 12 divided by 20, 0.6. So in each case, our K, we have a constant unit rate because our unit rate is the same in each case here. So yes, they are proportional because there is a constant unit rate, which is K equals 0.6.